this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card with the Color and Contour bundle. Here's the Color and Contour bundle. It is on page 98 of the new catalog. And so you can see here's the stamp set, and then down here is the bundle. It is 10% off when you purchase the stamp set and dies together. You can also find it in the back of the catalog on page 158, right here, where you can see the dies a little bit larger. But here you can see them nice and large. So here are the flowers and then stamps to fill in the flowers. The stamps are distinctive, so you have the highlights and the shadows. You have sentiments, an extra leaf stamp, and this lovely splatter stamp. I love that. You've got dies to cut out the flowers. You've got this nice scallop edgelet that I've used right here on the card. And then you've got all these lovely rectangle scallops. I love these scalloped rectangles. They are so fun to use. And they've got different edges. They've got these loops, dots, stitches, lines, and circles. And so for this card, I've started off with a piece of 6 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then I used the scalloped edgelet to cut off the edge of the card to create this fun opening here. And then I have a piece of Highland Heather that is 8 by 4, scored at 4. And then a smaller piece here that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Then I have got some smaller pieces here. First, this piece is 2 by 5, and it's going to go right here. So 2 by 5. This is from the Brights Brights Designer Series paper stack. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this. It's a 6 by 6 stack of different patterns and designs of all the Brights colors. So I'm just going to lay that right on there, and then I'm going to attach this to the card, opening the opposite direction. And then I'm going to stamp inside here, so I'm not going to attach that yet. But I've got these two pieces right here, and then stamped in here. So this piece, these are the same size. So I've got 2 pieces of basic white, and they are 2 3/4 by 3 1/4. And then I've got 2 pieces of basic black, and they are 3 by 3 1/2. And then I have 1 piece of Highland Heather that is 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. So I'm gonna layer these up, and on 1 piece I'm going to stamp Here For You Now, and then on the inside I'm going to stamp And in Better Days with my rose piece here. And I'm going to use the Memento Black. So I'm going to start with the outline of the rose in black. So I'm just going to put that all the way to the left. And then stamp the sentiment. It's right in the middle. then I've got some ink on my fingers, of course. Can't stamp without getting some ink on your fingers. So I've always got wipes handy. I'm gonna just wipe off my hands here. All right, and then what else is in black? So this is in black right here. So I'm going to ink up my flowers. Nice and black. Scoot this aside. Bring in a scrap piece of paper. And it's this one. And I'm gonna scooch everything up. We're gonna stamp this off to the right. Okay, so that's stamped. And then we'll go ahead and clean that off. And then I need to do the Here For You Now on the bottom of the other one. And that's on the bottom right. Here For You Now. And I've already stamped and cut out my flower for this piece, so that is ready to go. So now I'm going to finish stamping this one and this one. So I'm done with the black. And I'm going to color in the leaf with soft succulent blends. Did I do the light or the dark? It looks like I did the dark. So I'm going to switch over to the dark. I always forget this leaf up here. Got to color that leaf up here. Did I color it on this? Oh, this is the, let me see if I colored it on this one. Nope. All right, so we got all our leaves colored, and now I'm going to stamp the flower distinctive stamp right here in Highland Heather onto the flowers. There's Highland Heather. So line that up, stamp that. Nice. And then we'll stamp the rose as well. Bring that down here so I can stamp that better. Okay, so that's done. Now we can adhere everything. So finish with this. And it looks like there is a smudge on my white piece right here. So I'm just gonna take my sand eraser and wipe that smudge right off. I don't like smudges on my white. No smudges, please. Okay, and then this piece, we are going to put this piece hidden behind here on there. So I think I'm going to just wait before I put that on, and I'll adhere this one first. So we'll put this one together. And this is on dimensionals, and this is on dimensionals. So put some dimensionals on this, and then this one, only put dimensionals on the left side here. And mini dimensionals on, oh, I'm going to cut one in half for the leaves. And then I'm going to roll up a glue dot for the stem, the bottom of the stem. So I've got a glue dot down there. Okay, and we'll attach this first so we can line up the one on the bottom with it. So we'll get this centered on here. And then we will place this. That's really tall. Did I trim it? Looks like I trimmed it. So I shouldn't have placed my glue dot down yet. So I trimmed it to about there. So I will do another glue dot. So I'll place another glue dot on there. So you got to trim the bottom. There we go. So that it will fit. Now I can place this flat and I can hide it underneath here. And there is our fun fold card. Here for you now and in better days ahead. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the Color and Contour bundle. It consists of supplies for these 6 cards, and you just need to purchase the bundle using my May Hostess code and then email me and let me know that you would like the Color and Contour card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other color and contour video tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.